Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. And here, when we do these videos and we try to put that information out there, one of the things we try to do is discuss questions that are commonly asked. One question that we get all the time is, we're getting married, we've been married for several years, does my spouse automatically get half of everything? Well, everything is a loaded word. If everything means all the marital assets, that is to say all the assets accumulated or grown during the marriage, then you get more closer to answering yes. It's not 100%, but yes, there may be, a division for those assets. But if everything, does my spouse always get half of everything? If everything means just everything I have, whether it was accumulated before or after the marriage, well, no, it's a lot more complicated than that. Let me give you an example. In many cases, somebody has a house, they're living there, they get married, the spouse moves into the house. And later on they get divorced. What happens with that house? That house may have been a prior acquired asset. If that's the case, then it's not so clear-cut that she may get everything. We're going to have to look at the value of the house as of the day of the marriage. Because unless there was some gift to the marriage, the value of that house as of the time of the marriage, that's going to be off the table. That's going to go to the guy who owned it in the first place. Only the increase in the value during the marriage, that piece may be subject to division. But the whole corpus of thing, no, not necessarily. Same with, let's say, stocks and bonds. Suppose someone gets married, she has a portfolio, it's worth $100,000. Over the marriage, it's grown to $150,000. Well, that 100, that should be off the table. The only thing that we should discuss, unless the 100 was gifted to the marriage, the only thing in discussion, in play, would be that 50. And of that 50, the presumption would be half would be hers, half would be his. So she's going to get the 100 plus 25, and you get the other 25. So that's what would happen in that scenario. Now, having said that, I want to tell you there are certain circumstances that the court might see fit to make a modification of that general principle. It's entirely possible. Every case is different, but that is the general format that the court is going to use. If you have any questions about that, obviously circle back and we'll be glad to help you out. If you have found this helpful, please like and share.